식당이 탁자 한 개 있어. 여기 의자 하나, 둘. Good morning, good morning. 와, 성이 이뻐. Good morning, what's going on? I was hoping it would have been nicer today, but it's raining. I still gotta make this video though. 오늘 오전 10시 30분 일어나서 비 많이 와요. 조금 답답해요. But I'm gonna make this video. This video today, I'm gonna be showing you what it's like living in Korea. This is the outside of my building, and we're about to go upstairs. I'm gonna show you the inside. First walk in, you got this, waiting for the elevator to open up. Over here are our mailboxes, smart box. We're gonna go up. Okay, so we are upstairs. This is the hallway, 복도. So for each floor, 사람 2명 있어요. Let's go inside. Alright, first thing we walk in, 신발장 2개 있어요. 여기 하나, but I'm using this right here for, storage too. 하나 여기 있어요. Alright, so this is the first bathroom right here. You can see it's really nice. 화장실 2개 있어요. 방이 3개 있어요. Okay, right here, so we got the hallway. So as I was saying, this house has 3 rooms. This is the first one right here. 여기 잠깐만 복도 물 1개 있어요. So when I turn off the lights at night and I just leave this one light on, it looks really nice in here. It's a nice setting. Okay, so this is the second room. This is my computer room. As you can see, still trying to figure out what I want to do in here. We keep on walking. As you can see, to my right, we got my 식당, 교실, 여기. Don't worry about this. 운동복 있어. I'm gonna go to the gym after this. That's why this is sitting here. Don't mind that. Okay, next we got sofa. This came with the house. It's a nice view out there. It's raining today, so I'm not gonna open that. Got my TV. And next we're gonna go over to the dining room. So it came fully furnished. It came with this table. It came with these chairs, the refrigerator. 식당이 탁자 한 개 있어. 여기 의자 하나, 둘, 셋, 네 개 있어요. Okay, come over here. We got our 냉장고. The microwave came with this stove, sink. And out the back, we have our 세탁기, washer and dryer. 창문 조금 size 있어요. Nice and spacious. Next, we're gonna go over to the 침실. Oh, let me show you this right here. So this is, you can see everything on here. This has all the settings, everything you wanna do. Look at the videos, this functions in here, CCTV. This is pretty cool. This controls all the lights in here. You can turn it down, turn it up. You want to turn it off. It's pretty cool. Everything's controlled here, and this is the heat. All right, now we're gonna go into the main bedroom. 침실. Let's turn on the light. There's another light right here. Okay, we got my bed, 침대. 잠깐만, 여기 베개, 이불 세트. My girl got this for me. So my girl actually, she got the matching, pillows and blankets set for me. Out here, we have another storage area. I really don't use this too much. It's a nice view outside. And this is my ukjang walk-in closet. Nothing special going on here. It's actually clean today. Sometimes this thing be a mess. Oh, the lights should be coming. There we go. Then 창문 있어. Look outside. All right, and this is the last bathroom right here. This is the main bathroom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep. So this is my house. 여기 집 만족해요. 진짜 만족해요. I really love this house. I'm going to sign another 2-year contract, and I'm going to stay for another 2 years. Stay as long as I can, as long as that rent don't keep going up. But this is it. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, oh yeah, one more thing. This area is called Goduck. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Make sure you hit that like button. I'm out.